Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G is the latest mid-range smartphone of Realme, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of the device covering all of its aspects, pros and cons. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. Talking about the design and build quality, Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G is a beautiful and premium looking device from every angle. With 94% screen to body ratio, the front side is basically just a screen. Realme spent 15 million USD and 16 months of research to find the perfect screen curvature of 61 degrees for the Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G to provide lowest mistouches and visual distortion. The 61-degree dual curve display looks very beautiful, provides a very nice visual experience and the minimal visual distortion at the edges. The curved edges on the back panel and on the front side provide a very nice grip while holding the device, and because of the huge screen to body ratio, you can easily use the device with one hand without facing any issue. It weighs just 175 grams and 7.95 mm in thickness, and the 2.5 mm thin bezels give this device a very premium look. It comes with dual stereo speaker setup, but there is no 3.5 mm jack provided, and there is no micro SD card slot as well for expanding the storage. Another drawback is that the device does not come with any kind of official IP rating for being splash resistant or water resistant, and also there is no Gorilla Glass protection on the display of Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G. Instead of that, Realme is using a hardened glass for some durability, and there is a thin screen protector pre-applied on the device. But the most beautiful part of the design of Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G is the back panel. The hyperspace version is so beautiful and gorgeous as it changes the color at different angle. The bottom part is quite glittery, and at the top we got this nice hyperspace tunnel design that is really eye-catching. So this is one beautiful, gorgeous looking back panel we got on our Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G. Another good thing is that there is no camera island this time on Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G, and we just got two circular rings for the camera lenses. So it is quite minimalistic but still very eye-catching at the very same time. The only drawback is that it attracts lots of fingerprints and smudges very easily. Talking about the display, it is one of the best display you will find in this price segment, as the Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G comes with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, 94% screen to body ratio, 395 ppi pixel density, 10-bit color support, 1 billion color reproduction, and the support for HDR10 plus content. So the display quality is really impressive. It's bright, colors are so punchy, so realistic, and you will enjoy all kind of contents while watching it on the borderless display of Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G. The maximum brightness can go as high as 800 nits, so you won't feel any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors, and it also comes with 2160 PWM dimming, that is industry's lowest, to provide the flicker-free visual experience while using the Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G. And because of that, it has achieved the TUV Rhineland flicker-free certification along with the TUV Rhineland low blue light certification. So the viewing experience on Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G is not only pleasant, it's safe for your eyes as well. It comes with a hypervision section in the display setting that includes video color boost that enhances the visual quality from SDR to HDR to provide nice visual experience, and it also comes with video HDR boost that increases the screen brightness when you are playing HDR videos on Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G. It comes with 120Hz refresh rate, and you can select between 60Hz or 120Hz, and at 120Hz the display is super smooth. As you can see here, the only drawback is that it does not support all of the apps, especially the games, and you will experience the 120Hz refresh rate usually in the UI of Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G only. Talking about the performance, Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G comes with MediaTek Dimensity 920 processor, 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, and it is running on Android 13. In our benchmarking test, the performance of Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G was quite impressive considering the hardware and its price segment, and it achieved very nice score in all of the benchmarking tests. Also, the stability of the device is quite impressive when putting it under heavy load, and you will be able to enjoy all kind of games on this device. The only drawback once again is that Realme is putting a cap on all of the games, and the maximum FPS you will get is only 60, even though if you are playing a game that can go as high as 120 FPS, but still the gaming performance of the device is quite impressive. And you can watch our detailed gaming review of Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G by clicking the link appearing on the top of the screen or by visiting the link given in the description below to get the better idea. It comes with 256GB storage. That's pretty huge, but it misses any microSD card slot, so you cannot expand it further. It comes with 12GB RAM, and using the RAM expansion feature you can extend it up to 12GB more, so you can get virtually up to 24GB RAM on your Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G. If for some reason you got the 8GB RAM version, then the maximum expandable virtual RAM is 8GB only. But in the Middle East, only 12GB RAM version is launched, so you will get 12GB RAM plus 12GB virtual RAM. And that's once again quite impressive in its price segment. Talking about the camera, we got 108 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and on the front side we got a 16 megapixel selfie camera. The primary camera comes with lots of options and camera modes that you can use to capture different kind of pictures, images, videos, and it also comes with a dedicated street mode and night photography mode to capture some nice images in different lighting conditions. You can record 4K resolution videos but only up to 30 FPS, and in ultra wide angle mode the only maximum possible video recording is at 1080p 30 FPS only. The overall camera performance is quite nice. It captures great amount of details with nice color saturation, good dynamic range and sharpness in sufficient lighting conditions. The low light imaging capability is also quite satisfactory, and the night mode helps in improving the low light imaging for sure. The street mode allows you to put some nice perspective in the images, and you can use it for more creative artwork, and the video quality is also quite nice. Whether you are recording it at 1080p resolution or 4K, the only thing missing here is that you cannot record 4K resolution videos at 60 FPS here. The front facing camera is average but still good enough for taking selfies, making vlogs and do some video calling. It also captures good amount of details and nice pictures when sufficient light is available. The night mode is also available for the front camera, and you can only record 1080p resolution videos at 30 FPS. Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G comes with 5000 mAh battery and with 67 watt super VOOC charger that charges the battery from 0% to 100% in less than 45 minutes, and you can get as high as 53% in just 15 minutes, so that's quite impressive for sure. And overall the battery performance is quite impressive as well, and you can easily get around 8 hours of screen on time on moderate usage without facing any issue. It also comes with various battery modes that you can use to improve the battery performance and overall experience with your device. The stereo speaker setup on Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G is quite nice. The audio quality is good. It's loud enough to enjoy all kind of content, whether you're watching videos, playing games or listening music. It also comes with an ultra volume mode that increases the volume up to 200% but also decreases the audio quality. So I will prefer not to use the ultra mode, but in some cases it can be helpful for sure. Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G comes with Realme UI 4.0 and Android 13. The Realme UI 4 is very feature rich. It comes with lots of options and settings that you can use to customize your experience on Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G, and it also comes with lots of nice special features that you can use to improve your productivity on Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G. Overall, Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G is a very nice device and one of the best in its price segment, as it comes with brilliant 120Hz AMOLED display with HDR10 plus 1 billion color reproduction, dual curved display that you won't find on other smartphones in this price segment. The design is very beautiful. The screen to body ratio is one of the best in its segment. Back panel is gorgeous and very eye-catching, and the device is easy to use with one hand. The battery performance is super impressive, and so is the battery charging speed. It comes with 12GB RAM that can be expanded up to 24GB and with 256GB storage that is once again one of the best in its price segment. The overall camera performance is nice as well, and Realme provides lots of different camera modes that you can use for different scenarios. Few drawbacks are the device does not come with any IP certification. The maximum frame rate for games is restricted to 60 FPS only. There is no 3.5mm jack and there is no micro SD card slot provided. Other than that, everything is truly impressive and kind of flagship on Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G, making it one of the best smartphone in its price segment in nearly every aspect. The Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G is available in Saudi Arabia at 1499 and the Realme 10 at 899 SAR. And the link to buy them is given in the description of this video below. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.